Hi, I'm Christian and welcome to the first ever episode of Cocktails, a monthly video series featuring some of my favorite drink recipes from my hometown, Oklahoma City. Over the past several years, OKC has seen an explosive growth in our restaurant and bar scene, and now we have so many places to go and grab a good drink. But this month, I'm gonna take it way back to 1973, and I'm gonna feature my favorite drink from Junior's Supper Club, the Brandy Ice. Junior's Supper Club is a restaurant and bar that was built in 1973 during the OKC oil boom. And with its red walls, red leather furniture, and dimly lit chandeliers, it's changed very little since its conception. A dining or drinking experience at Junior's is truly like stepping back into the 1970s. And I'm gonna show you how to make the Junior's Brandy Ice. Okay, let's get started. Here's what you need to make a true Junior Supper Club Brandy Ice. You need a blender, a half gallon of either vanilla bean or French vanilla ice cream, and you want to let it sit and thaw for a little bit so that it's not totally frozen when you go to make the drink. You need some E&J brandy and some Day Cooper cream de cocoa and some nutmeg. Okay, the first thing you want to do is you want to get a spatula and get all of this ice cream into the blender. And like I said, you want to make sure that it's thawed out a little bit before you put it in there so that it's not totally frozen. Makes it so much easier to get into the blender. Then you're going to do 1/3 cup of the cream de cocoa. Blend that a little bit to make sure there's enough room. Then after you blend that up a little bit, you're gonna do 2/3 cup brandy. Then we're gonna blend that some more. And then after you blend everything together, you're gonna take the top of the blender off and put it in the freezer for about an hour or two to let it get really frozen.
2 hours later.
Now, after you take it out of the freezer, you do wanna blend it a little bit just to make sure that it's not so solid. And then after you blend it, you are ready to serve. Now at Junior's, you have two options when you order a Brandy Ice. They will either give it to you in a smaller dessert size glass, or you can order a larger glass. And at the end, they do a little dusting of nutmeg. But I highly recommend ordering the larger glass with a brandy float. All right, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video and I hope you enjoy your Brandy Ices. Cheers, I'll see you next month. Oh, thank God for editing. To get more videos like these, go to our website, COKCTALES.com, and subscribe. That's COKCTALES.com.